First things first, from classic's lips to the soul of the people. Ooh, Gemini! Are people Googling Demis Hassabis, John Jumper, and the DeepMind team? Are there no queries around this massive utopia of brain imagination and probably the best arcade ever? No, we're not. Because right now we're asking the most ferocious reasoning engine since the dawn of fire to ghostwrite polite apologies to HR. Go apologize with your actions, jerk. Also, I'm sorry for calling you a jerk. The problem is, we're using a supersonic jet to taxi to the corner store. That's ridiculous, especially since they keep complaining about not getting their steps in. What about them brain steps, huh? Meanwhile, the cognitive warlords at DeepMind are tripping the biological braille of the human immune system, not because they didn't marinate in their own syntax, they waded into the wetware. You want to connect more dots? Well, you need more dots. You have to actually go there and observe an alien environment. For 50 years, science called protein folding an impossible knot. Listen to me, there are no impossible knots, only rigid fingers. No offense to fingers. They probably are nice fingers once you get to know the fingers. It was just violently, beautifully hard math. Not impossible, just hard. AlphaFold 3 just handed us the choreographic master sheet for every atomic ballet inside the human body. Don't y'all like ballet and Pilates and stuff? Is that related? And the beautiful middle? When you shatter an impossible wall, you don't hoard the bricks. You open source the masonry. They gave away the Rosetta Stone of flesh so a relentless grad student in Ohio can cure a disease that doesn't even have a name yet. In Gemini. Help me tell the people who don't know what I'm saying. Just Google it.